All right. How are you?
Good. How you doing?
I just got in from the dog's yacht from letting Mary out. It's so windy and wet and yucky.
Start at the bottom.
Okay. Of course you would say that because that's the hardest stuff. All right, let me get my glasses. I love you. I say that from love. Clever doing this. This is like the biggest nemesis.
We start right after that, going towards the closet. What's on the floor?
I have a shoe rack and I have this wonderful little dog
Okay.
because I couldn't have a dog and I don't know what to do with that. One of them, my other dogs chewed, but it's kind of cute. It's like a therapy animal. You know what I
Yeah.
mean?
You could have it in the closet by the time, if you wanted to, for decor,
Okay.
because by the time we go through and edit, there will probably be space for a nice decor item.
And I'm
But would rather not have it in your closet, then that sounds like a good idea.
well, I guess I was saying that just because I don't want to part with her. That's all. You know,
You don't want to what?
I don't want to part with her.
You may not even have to move her from the closet if
Okay.
it would be nice decor there.
And that's why I love you because you're compassionate, you know? But like I told you, like life is like, you're a grown woman, get rid of stuffed animals, but they're actually very comforting to me. So
Yeah. Okay, so let's start a pile for things going out of the closet for sure, over on the floor by the exit. Do we have a piece of paper and a pen to write down the stuff we have to do? Have a piece of paper and a pen to write stuff down?
no, I'll get one
And do you have your water? Okay.
to take the beamer off the wall. Yeah. But I do love this. Like if you're working around, I don't know, but
Where would you use it, do you think?
well, like vacuuming, mopping, because it's important for
Do
me.
you want to store it near the cleaning stuff then, or in undergarment drawer, accessories drawer in the closet,
That
maybe?
is brilliant. Then I would like think about it. If I'm home all day cleaning, I put it on. You're so smart. Excited. See, you make this exciting. Well, because like all this that's like not utilized because it's in a mess. I mean, who can like decipher? Or I think I'm going to be shopping outside because all these clothes I don't even wear.
Yeah. Yes.
All right. So I don't have room on my shoe rack for all my shoes. I have like these are kind of masculine slippers, so I don't really love them. So I'm going to get rid of them.
So do we have a bag for Goodwill?
We do.
Awesome. Oh, I love those.
And they're fluffy and nice. He laughs at them.
Well, they're cool in some styles.
I think it's like our old generation. Okay, so these are my favorite. These ones,
Yeah.
these are so flattened out. And then I wore them outside and they got a hole.
Yeah. It's hard to keep those fleece shoes good.
The
So,
suede.
okay, so then the slippers, other ones, did you want those?
I'm gonna keep these ones because I think they're cute.
All right, so that's the keep area, right?
Yes.
Can we put on a list to get a new pair?
I have a lot of slippers.
So you can put that in Goodwill?
Yeah,
Okay, awesome.
that felt good right there alone. They're funny looking, but I love them because they're like flip flop. Just because they're cheap, I buy them.
So you'll get another pair, so those can go to Goodwill, right?
It's hard, but I have to get rid of them.
You have one pair of slippers, right?
I have more.
Okay, let's see what else you got.
This is the this is like the winter coats and the slippers.
But you've got a good pair so far to save, so that's good.
And these are this is embarrassing. These are cute because they're like little booties too.
Okay, so those are slippers around the house that you could go outside in briefly.
Yeah, they're kind of like these though. I don't know. What do you think? These like
those are meant for the
these
inside.
are inside and these are outside.
Want to keep them, they might be better served down by the door going outside.
You're right. And like the fireplace area to go get firewood.
Good.
Oh boy. All right, so this, oh, these are funny. So what do you think about these? They're actually kind of, so they're like little summer, where they're like espadrille types, right?
Right.
They're cute, do you think?
Do you have other sneakers?
They're almost like shoe sneakers, you know?
They're dress up casual.
Yeah, and yeah, like a step up from a sneaker. Like
okay, so put those in their own category of the keep next to the slippers, because you're so far you'd like to keep those, it sounds like.
Yes. So these sneakers, I have 2 pairs of them because I bought them at the Nike outlet. Mm-hmm. My feet look like, can you see them? Like dots, like really big. I'm gonna move them along. All right, so I have insoles because we're kind of big on comfort and grounding. So I cut these nice insoles.
Okay.
And they're not in any of my shoes. So they should be in the sneakers I wear. And they're a little dusty.
Where are those?
I could put them in my slippers. So you know what? I just want to utilize stuff or get rid of it. If it's not being used, it's a waste. I mean, all right, so here's another pair of these. Yeah, my father used to make fun of my feet because they were big, so I'm sensitive about that anyway. So they make, I love this look of the sneakers, but they make my feet look like I'm a duck, so. Okay. These, like I was thinking these would be so cute, you know, they're like sock slippers.
Yeah.
Like remember, you know, and they're really cozy on the inside, like leg warmers.
Yeah, very nice.
So I keep those.
Okay.
I haven't worn them since I moved here.
So that will be in the winter, your winter clothes, right?
Oh my God. So yeah, so that's why I need you. So I on mine, but I have the winter boots with the summer stuff. And it's like, then where do I put the winter stuff? So I just leave it there all year round. And that's not good because there's not enough space with the bulky boots. I love these. My kids said they were so ugly. They're like sandal water shoes.
Uh-huh.
You think they're really ugly? Honestly, I don't care. Can you see?
Well, if you can, you know, hike in them and then go into the water,
they're practical.
That's very useful.
Exactly.
People aren't, you know, voguing too much on the trails. I think that.
You think they're ugly too. Isn't that funny?
No, I don't. I don't think they're ugly.
Right. Wow. All right. Hold on a minute. I have 2 pairs of shoes that are under my desk because I just they're water shoes. And we'll talk about ugly. Okay. I have had these for so long. They're dusty. So these are, can you see them? 80s. I'm going to get rid of them.
Okay. The thing is, they improve things.
Hurts, Kim, it hurts. No more talking. But it hurts to, you're like getting rid of we're acknowledging our old age, and it really hurts.
I know.
These are the ugly now, the hot tub, But I mean, I would say these are ugly, but this is what everyone, their generation has grown up with.
Well, the thing that makes those so good is that they're not damaged by water. They're super light and they're super easy to get in and out of.
Mm-hmm.
So they're basically the easiest kind of shoe you could possibly have.
Right, exactly.
But going back to the other pair we were talking about,
I don't know. I guess I got to get rid of them. Let me try them on because I think they're just like too.
They don't have a tread on the bottom, so that's hard on surfaces.
Yeah, and they're just like too like they kind of fall off my.
Okay, so we're ready to move those along.
Yeah.
All right.
And
They
see,
had a good life. They served you well.
Oh my God, I've had for more than 20 years. So these clothes up here. Oh, that's like gives me funny. Yeah, like I should be using these. These are so good for your, your posture, your everything.
Yeah. So let's make a little insert area. I'm not, you don't have to choose where it's going to live forever, but just a pile for now to collect them in.
Yeah. Vacuum my shoe rack. So these are like I need to polish these are like the clogs, the clog brand. Okay. And they fit really nice. They need to be.
Okay, so put those by the door, and then we'll put on your list to polish clog.
They're probably ready to go, but I can't because of my lifestyle. I don't care that they're not in good shape, like they're beat up. And these are my riding boots that I love so much.
Did we put on your list to polish? Okay.
That's huge because I have to find my shoe polish, and I know it's like in here. So these could probably be polished too, but again, they're like riding boots, and it's so muddy around here. But I guess it would be really nice to keep these nice because I could wear them out with jeans, not just. And I have a box over there for my boots. So I think because I'll try to talk less.
No, don't talk less. You're doing fine.
Well, it's like processing. It's so good to talk about because it helps me process.